Welcome to the QuickStart series, where we show you how to set up and configure your VOLO access control system. In this video, we will be looking at creating a new controller in a few simple steps. Let's get started. Select the customer the controller will belong to. Navigate to the Site's menu option in the top bar. Find the site. You can use the search option in the top right corner. Click on the icon in the Controllers column. Then, select New from the left-hand side menu. Populate the mandatory fields. Select whether the new controller is a master or expansion controller. Name it, enter its serial number and activation code. Both can be found on the wiring label, or can be extracted when using the installer tool hardware and software. The controller serial number is also displayed on the outside of its box or on the base of the board. To set up a controller, you need to have at least a controller license assigned to your account by your distributor. If the controller is expected to use cellular communication, please make sure to also have a SIM license available. Select the licenses you wish to use. Press Save and Close. You can come back here anytime to edit the controller's details. That's it. Your controller is now set up. If you need any further information, you can visit our wiki. Please find the link in the description or contact CIE. Thank you for choosing VOLO.